Subaru WRX! Subaru WRX! Subaru WRX! Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna do the install video for the WRX. We're adding the 4-inch Remark exhaust axle back. We're just waiting for the boys, Kristen, Suko. Let's go check on Mario. Wake up, pig. Oh, look what we have here. The Remark exhaust. Long time coming, right?
Yeah. I'm excited about this. I don't have to go buy new license covers.
Right?
Yeah.
And then you get one from Parent too? Yeah. Holy shit, dude. Those are some monster tips.
So get different.
Fisting. Do the fist.
Let's do the difference.
Alright, let's compare. Comparison video already.
Wow.
Just wait until later. Alright, boys. Jesse just arrives. What are you doing?
No, don't shoot me!
Oh, compare your fist. Compare your fist.
How does my fist not fit? Look at this.
Wait, let it loose. Let it loose.
Even loose.
What are we doing?
We're adding more horsepower.
Well, how much horsepower is this going to add to the car?
Just a relocator, just 10. You know, minor.
10 minor,
stuff.
minor?
Wow,
Okay.
dude, they did drill into your bumper.
I'll just put this back.
No.
Here's what we'll do. We'll put plugs in there.
For sure need the relocation thing at ASAP.
What do we got, Mario?
We got this. We got this.
So how much horsepower are you going to add?
Oh, this? Easily 300 horsepower plus.
300 horsepower?
Yeah. So
Okay, please explain.
See, those puny ones, they don't give me shit. But since I doubled the size, it's gonna give me double the horsepower. So
Continue. I'm really curious.
alright, so it's double the horsepower. So just from removing those, a lot more air is gonna come out. So when the flames come out, it's just gonna boost the car.
Oh,
It's gonna boost
no
the car. I don't
way.
need NOS, I don't need a turbo. I can just remove
I thought you had NOS. LS swapped. Wah, wah, wah. Busted.
Make sure my butt doesn't show. It's not. Oh, man.
We just disconnect those two, right?
Yeah. All this has a tight space.
Mario in his natural habitats, building his Subaru WRX. He's going for 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, it's already at 1,000.
Oh, it's already at 1,000. He had to take out the NOS.
swap. Let's win turn.
So, yeah, this is the LS. I mean,
Tied in his
we're just
natural
taking this
habitat on
out
the
so we put
ground.
it-
Sleeping like a wildebeest.
Sleeping like a wildebeest. Leonardo with his cracks!
Don't worry, I got you. I'm here for support.
Okay. I think I see it.
Yeah, try to pull it.
When I meant smaller, I didn't meant this one, but this should do.
Oh, I see. Okay. You got it? So I can push it.
Push it.
Hold on, let's see where it is. Hold on. Yeah, it's almost done.
Nice. Alright. There's one. Alright, guys. This is what we were working with. Put it next to it. Now that's what we are going to be working with.
Alright, guys, we already got rid of this big whale. Now it's time to put this one on.
Little whale.
See the little whale weight reduction and a lot more noise.
Jesse can actually fit his fist inside. Watch. And Jesse's the biggest one out of all of us. Oh my god. Respect.
Can you squeeze it from here? Let me see.
Yeah.
Squeeze it in.
Hold on. There we go. There we go. Dude, look at that. It fills it in.
You guys ready to hear this thing?
Yeah, I can't wait. All those pops.
Wait, does it look straight now?
Higher this way?
Look at it.
No, not like that. You're saying this way.
Which one looks higher?
This one still has a gap. That's weird. Dude, I'm satisfied.
Good purchase?
Great purchase.
Let's take a walk.
Walk.
I want to see you race.
Right. For what?
Foot race. Be in there.
Hey, put it more towards the back or wait. Oh yeah. Here you go.
Watch out for my glasses. Mm-hmm. Pork.
No, I still need to hold it. So till the gasket plays, you know how it falls?
Yeah.
I just want it to be like that. Yeah. Come on, you guys get it?
No, it started squeezing on my hand.
While we wait for Jesse to take his poop, we're gonna see what we could do meanwhile. Who needs a ladder? So, this is the new ladder, only from Spartans.
I saw the light bar.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, it's still no more. No, that's it. Yeah, it's just going. Just drop it. Just go.
Let's hear that 1,000 horsepower.
Remark.
4-inch stainless steel.
Oh, there's your cold start.
You hit a turbo?
Dude.
Rev it. It has to be on second gear.
What are you, Rob?
No, it does have.
Yeah, look.
Got issues.
What's next for the Subi?
The lip, maybe customize the headlights so I can get that bright sea light.
What about power-wise? Any powers?
Fog lights. Power-wise, full exhaust, downpipe.
No tune?
Oh, intake, the cob access port. So actually,
Just
what
full
might-
bolt-ons basically is the plan?
Yeah, what might be next is the intake and the cob access port.
Alright guys,
What do you want next?
in order to succeed in this life, you need your wife plus the capital equals telecom industry.
Whoa! What do you have plans for Kristen? Any plans? I already talked to Mario. What about you?
Well, my biggest plan for Kristen is I want to see if I could do catless with a bigger unequal link headers.
Ooh.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I really recommend this Remark muffler delete. Dude, this thing sounds insane. It's the first mod I ever installed in my car. This sound is incredible. So literally I just rev it into second gear and you can just hear those crackle pops, like it's insane. So just please leave a like if you want more of these kind of videos and just leave your support.